Okay guys, it is the end of June, end of financial year. We're going to give you a quick walkthrough of what we're doing currently in the workshop. We know you guys love seeing what we're up to and all the cool builds that we are building. So let's have a look. We're going to start in the car park this time because there's a bit on out here. So have a look at it and we'll go inside and show you. So we've got our four-wheel drive God Ram 2500 build. Check out the build video on YouTube for that. It's come back for a few extras. You can see it's quite dirty, so he has used it. Right here we've got a Chevy 1500. This is pre-rego, 4.2 ton TSA GVM. So that's going to go in the shop, I think, in the next few days and get a GVM kit put in that. Right here, how good we got, Chevy 2500. This is going through final QA, getting picked up this afternoon. BDS 3-inch kit, GCI Tray-Tech canopy. Here we have a Ram 25. Doesn't look like it's registered yet either in the Laramie Blackout pack. How good. This is waiting a full build as well, guys, so stay tuned for that. Got our 450. We'll get that in and do a few more things on that soon. New 24 model Chev 2500, ready to go in. It is had wheels, tires, and the BDS 3-inch kit. Think it's getting a tray, front bar, and a few bits and pieces there, guys. That's gonna look cool. Another Chev 2500. This one actually, sorry, Chev 1500. This one's gonna get quite a few things. It's getting tub rack, roller cover, suspension, wheels, tires. That's going to be awesome. Another Chev 2500 full build. This is also getting picked up this afternoon. Again, 35 3-inch BDS kit, GCI Tray-Tech canopy. Another 24 model Chev HD. This is waiting wheels, tires, and suspension. It's already came to us with a tray canopy. That I don't even know what that brand is. Old Norski on that one. Over here, guys, Y62 Patrol, awaiting a GVM, chrome delete, and a full build on that one. Or over here in the corner, F150, so getting a heap of cool stuff, heap of Aussie firsts on this one actually. Smitty built front and rear bars, Smitty built tub rack, ready lift suspension, KMC wheels, tires, fuel tires, sorry. What have we got? Logic airbags, ready lift stuff, a few different things there. Smitty built side steps, front bar, and ditch lights, Morimoto's. Not finished yet, but yeah, how good does that bar look? Pretty unique. What have we got up here? Oh. Right, F250. This one came to us like that. We've got to do a few fix-ups. It's got a few suspension issues, waiting on parts, off-road creative bar on that one. Looks like Mal's Y62, that one. Unsure what he's getting. I'd say chrome delete and head unit, bits and pieces. Chev 2500. Just put the Pro light bar on, so winch, light bar, steady light bar, Pro light bar. That keeps the factory look. We have one in our Chev, looks awesome. Cognito kit in this one. Method wheels, Maxxis Muddies on that one. Up in here, 300 series. This one is waiting to be sold actually. Did pre-rego GVM on this, DMW chop, G-Works canopy. We did everything for this customer. Method wheels, King suspension, full 4.5 ton GVM, that is awesome. Our F150, this is waiting to go to Melbourne with the BDS 4-inch kit. That's it outside, let's go have a look inside. Okay, in the shop currently, Y62 Patrol. It's had our big GVMs come back for a few little extras. Rhino rack, all our work lights, steady light bar, you name it. And we've got the dash front bar. Righto, F450. This is going to be pretty cool. Probably cooler than mine, to be honest. Liquid spring kit in it. We've done heaps of custom colouring. It's getting a full GCI Tray-Tech canopy and tray, rear winch, front winch, super singles, guards. It's been tuned, it's had tanks, lockers. Stay tuned. Well, it's going to be cool. Over here, got our friend J-Mac back. We built this about a year or two ago. He's come back for liquid spring upgrade. Again, stay tuned, that's going to be awesome. Two Tray-Tech canopies here. Bush Company TX27 Max on that one. They are built, waiting to go on those trays, which we are waiting vehicles. Chev 2500. This one's a tow rig if you didn't realise. Big power system over here getting built by Bazza. This one's going to go under the seat. So 360 amp hours of lithium, 2600 watt inverter, big charging under the seat of that Chevy. Got our sliders on this one. Our back kit is front bar. And over in the middle here, don't forget the Y62 Patrol, full touring build, rear drawers, Rhino roof rack, power system, front bar. Okay guys, that is a wrap of what we are up to the end of the financial year, the end of June. Also guys, live right now, we've got a sale. Book in for a full touring build, Trade Canterbury suspension, the lot before end of the financial year. You're gonna save up to $5,000. Also, up to 50% off on all our head units and brackets. Have a look at our ecoffroad.com.au website. Give us a shout today.